In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete any PDF document highlight by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This process is simple and straightforward, but if you're new to using Adobe Acrobat, a little guidance can go a long way. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open the PDF file that contains the highlights you wish to remove using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you've got the latest version of Adobe Acrobat, as newer updates often bring smoother interfaces and enhanced functionalities, helping to make your task easier and faster. Once your document is open, you'll see the text highlighted in various colors that you might have previously marked for reference or emphasis. The next step focuses on clicking directly on the highlighted text. This action is crucial as it triggers the display of a contextual toolbox. As you hover over the highlighted area, look for your cursor to change its form, signaling it recognizes an editable element. Clicking on the highlight will prompt a toolbox to appear nearby, giving you several options to interact with that highlighted section. Now that you have the toolbox visible, you should notice a variety of tools and options that Adobe Acrobat offers. Among these tools, you will see one that provides the option to delete the highlight. It's usually represented by a trash can icon. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbox, as this palette of options can be used for other modifications beyond just highlight removal, like changing highlight colors or adding notes. If you're satisfied with your choice, it's time to click the trash can icon. Doing this will remove the highlight from your text entirely. Ensure that this is the correct highlight you wish to delete, as this action is quite decisive. It's a relief to know that Adobe Acrobat Pro will usually allow you to undo your last action if you make an error or change your mind. Being cautious though helps to prevent mistakes, saving time and keeping your workflow efficient. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently remove any unwanted highlights, keeping your PDF documents clean and organized. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a powerful tool that offers a robust set of features beyond this simple highlight removal. I encourage you to explore other capabilities it offers, which can significantly enhance how you manage and edit your PDF files. Thanks for tuning in to learn about removing PDF highlights using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By grasping this technique, you'll gain better control over your documents, ensuring they appear exactly how you prefer. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to check out our other videos. I look forward to guiding you through more digital solutions. See you next time.